In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background noise in Descript. Whether you're a content creator, podcaster, or editor, tackling background noise can significantly enhance the quality of your audio projects. So let's dive right in and explore how you can effortlessly clean up your audio using Descript. First things first, you need to head over to Descript's website and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Logging in is key here because it will give you access to all the tools and projects you have worked on or want to start. After you've logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Next, click on your account, usually at the top right corner of the page. This will give you a drop-down menu with various options. However, what we're interested in today is selecting or creating a new project. Descript allows you to either open an existing project or start fresh with a new one. For this tutorial, let's assume you're working with an existing project. Once you've selected your project, it's time to utilize Descript's powerful tools. Navigate to the AI Tools section, which is where all the magic happens. Descript has an array of tools designed to make editing as simple as possible. In this section, look for the tool called Studio Sound. This is the core feature we'll be using to remove background noise. Click on Studio Sound and you'll notice it starts processing your audio. This feature is pretty intelligent. It analyzes and enhances your audio by reducing unwanted background noise, giving you studio quality sound in just a few moments. But that's not all. Studio Sound also allows you to adjust the intensity of the effect. This option is crucial for fine-tuning how much background noise you want to remove without making your audio sound unnatural. To adjust the intensity, look for the settings options within Studio Sound. Here you can slide the intensity bar to your preferred level. Descript provides flexibility, so if you have a particularly noisy background, you might choose a higher intensity, whereas a lower setting might be ideal for subtle improvements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently remove background noise using Descript, greatly enhancing the quality of your audio projects. Experiment with the intensity settings to find the perfect balance that suits your needs. Thanks for watching and happy editing.